So now it's time to make my whiskey whipped cream. This is gonna be a treat for the adults. Half a cup of cold, heavy cream. And I often get the question, is heavy cream and whipping cream the same thing? They are. I'm going to put a tablespoon of powdered sugar and, cheers, a little bit of whiskey. Let's whisk away. Get it? Whiskey. All right, so fluffy. I'm gonna show you how to make my chocolate whipped cream. So I'm gonna add half a cup of cold, heavy cream to my bowl, and then I'm going to sweeten it up with a tablespoon of powdered sugar, tablespoon of a nice dark cocoa powder. We're gonna whisk this up until you get those really nice soft peaks. See this texture? That is a perfect and lovely whipped cream.